Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Wealthy Affiliate. And if you're really serious about starting an online business where you can make money online, then really stay tuned right to the very end. We're going to go and do a full Wealthy Affiliate review. We're going to show you inside the website. We're going to show you what you get as a free member, what you get if you upgrade, all that sort of thing. So make sure you stay tuned. This is going to be a really exciting video for those that really are serious about making an online business and working from home. So without further ado, let's jump over and we'll run through a Wealthy Affiliate and how you can make money online. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the wealthyaffiliate.com website, and it starts here. You've got obviously this chat box, which is actually scrolling live on the actual front page. Now, if you actually want to join and you're serious about joining this, you want to give it a go, and obviously it's free to actually join, so you can go and check it out before you actually make a decision. I will leave my link in the description below here. So when you actually come onto this page, you probably have an image of me on this page as well, because that's one of the advantages of Wealthy Affiliate. You can actually customize the page so people recognize you. But as you can see here, it says a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all level. Now, it also says about affiliate marketing, and yes, you do learn about that. You also learn about how to make money with your blog, and also how to make money in other ways too. And we can go through that very briefly when we go inside the actual platform. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump inside the actual platform and show you exactly what you get. Okay, so we've come in, and as you can see, here's me here. This is my image. This is and as you can see, I'm a premium member, and I've been a member since 2018. Currently ranked 403rd in the actual website. And this, the ranking system is not something you really need to worry about. It's really, obviously, if you're more active, then you will go up the rankings, etc. But as you can see, this is your home feed, and you can customize this to see what you want to see. So you've got the top 10 blog posts, you've got hot topics, you've got new classes, top 10 trainings, all that sort of thing. You can ask questions in here. So there's loads of different stuff in here, but we're going to start with the training, because that's the important part of how you're actually going to learn how to make money online. So the training tab is here. So you just click the training tab, and as you can see here, you've got the online entrepreneur certification course and the affiliate bootcamp course. So if you just click on, say, the first one of these courses, you view the course, and as you can see, there are broken down into different lessons. Okay, so there's lessons through, you can read about it, and also there are videos in some lessons as well. But pretty comprehensive, shows you exactly what to do, how to set things up. And then on the right hand side here, as you can see, it literally gives you a checkbox of what you've got to do. So you can literally check it. So the first one is watch the walkthrough video of Wealthy Affiliate. Tick that box, move on to the next. So it is so simple to actually get started. And with this training, it'll actually show you how you can go from a novice to someone that is actually earning a full-time income online. This is something obviously that is not going to happen overnight, because it is building a solid business that you can earn money from. But it will take you every step of the way. So that's how you want to obviously start, by checking out the training. You've also got the affiliate bootcamp as well. Now with the affiliate bootcamp, again, this is broken down into different lessons, etc. And this will show you how you can monetize your actual blog by using affiliate marketing. Okay, and it also gives you other strategies as well. You can learn about so many different things in here that it's too much to obviously go through on this video. There are other trainings in here that you can actually access as well. You've got the classrooms, and as you can see, if we go on to the classrooms, there's the getting started classroom, everything about WordPress, because they use WordPress as their blog template, and they show you how you can go and get this for free, set it up, and have your website live within about 30 minutes. And they also do the hosting for your website, and loads of other different stuff, cool stuff as well, such as keyword tools and that are included. So like I say, a very comprehensive website where you can actually go and learn how to make money online. And all these courses have been done some of the members that are actually in Wealthy Affiliate as well. So as they've learned stuff, they will contribute back into the community and help others to do the same. And of course, you can do that as well. And there is a way to obviously do classes and things like that you could actually get paid for doing them as well. So another way you can actually earn money with Wealthy Affiliate. Now, another way, obviously, you do get hosting with your account. So you get one free website you can have if you start as a free member, and then as you go up you can have loads of different websites. So if you view all my websites, I've got quite a few in here already, as you can see here, loads of different websites. Some are mine and some are friends of mine that I'm hosting their website for them. So that's another way you can actually earn some dollars back on your paid subscription, is by actually hosting other people's websites, and you can just charge them $100 a year, something like that. So it doesn't take long before you can easily make money with Wealthy Affiliate. So let's go and show you how much it would cost you to actually join Wealthy Affiliate. Like I say, it's absolutely free to actually join, okay? But you can upgrade to what they call a premium level. So let's just show you what you can get in the premium level. So included with premium, we just click on this arrow here. Okay, so this tells you exactly what you've got. It says obviously I'm now premium. And it says on the websites, I get intermediate web hosting and package. I get a website builder. I can have up to 50 premium websites. I get enhanced hosting security. I get free SSL backup, daily backups, hacking prevention, site speed. It gets managed 24/7. Their support is fantastic. If you've ever got a problem, you can message their support and they'll do it for you, which is amazing. You've obviously got loads of different things that you can obviously read about. You've got great support. So like I say, you've got unlimited support, unlimited questions and answers, private messaging. You get a personal blog and profile. You get a feedback platform, loads of different things. With research, you get their Jaxi Lite keyword tool, which is fantastic for searching keywords and whether they're going to be up, and the rankability of those. So that makes you just makes your business actually grow even quicker because you're going to get traffic easier by using these keyword research tools. As well, you get all the certification core training, you get all the bootcamp training, plus you get 1,000 plus training modules as well, and you also get 52 expert classes per year. So in other words, every week they will do a class. It's taken by one of the trainers in Wealthy Affiliate, and you will get access to that. And if you can't make the live event, you get access to the replay as well. So as you can see, this is amazing package, guys, which you're getting. 50 websites you can host. Let's face it, if you had 10 friends who wanted to host websites, you could charge them $100 a year, and you've got literally $1,000 a year coming in. And what's it going to cost you to be a premium? Well, it actually costs you either $49 per month, or you can get a yearly subscription which costs $2.99. So under $25, that's under $1 a day for all this ongoing support and everything. It really is phenomenal. I've been in here for a few years now, and I've built some of my websites obviously through the training initially, and I've gone on to teach obviously and learn a lot, and go on to teach other people how to do this as well. Now there is another level up. I'm not going to go into that really here. You can obviously have a look into that, but I think premium is all you really need to go to get the maximum out of Wealthy Affiliate. But like I say, you can join for free. You can start building your first website for free. You can go through some of the training for free, and you can obviously assess it. What it does give you, if you do pay the monthly fee, like $49, it does give you their first month for just $19. So again, you can experience everything at the premium level for just $19. And if you do that through my link, and you do become one of the people that comes in under my link, I do actually give away more free bonuses just for those people that actually upgrade and take the $19. And I'm also going to add more bonuses to that as well, and I can't really say much about that at the moment. You need to stay tuned to my YouTube channel, because there's exciting stuff coming of where you can actually go and get loads more free material every single month through a website I'm currently building. So that's the basis of it. Like I say, there's so much stuff in here to go through. You can actually spend, well, you could spend 2 months just going through everything. There's loads and loads of people in here. It's a very active community, so jump on board if you're really serious about making money online. And it could be through blogging, it could be through just building websites, and actually selling affiliate products, which, because like I say, you can have up to 50 websites here at a premium level. And if you're selling a product for $47, you've only got to wait one sale a month out of those 50 websites to actually cover your costs. It's a bit of a no-brainer, really, which is why I obviously am still a member after 4 years. So if you've got any questions about Wealthy Affiliate before you join, then you can obviously drop them in the comments below here. I'll certainly look forward to answering those for you. But the main thing is to probably jump on board. Click the link in the description below here. Jump on board. Test it out for yourself. Go and check it out. Go and find out all about it. Start taking the training, because obviously the training will take you through most of the website anyway and get you set up. So you can then obviously start making money. Now this, like I say, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to be able to make money tomorrow, although you could do. But you're mainly going to be building the foundations on a perfect business that you're going to be able to scale into an easily full-time income. And some bloggers and affiliate marketers are making tens of thousands of dollars actually a month. And there are some of those actually on here. And that's how I've built my business, and I'm still building my business every month through Wealthy Affiliate and other resources as well. So I look forward to seeing you inside Wealthy Affiliate. And like I say, I've got more great bonuses coming too as well. So jump on board, and obviously I will be able to notify you when those bonuses become available. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.